For you. You're going to be waking up to and possibly driving in. It's sure going to look pretty like a white Christmas, but it's going to feel like a blizzard. ABC 15's meteorologist Laura Thomas tracking it all.
And Laura, some big mornings here. We're talking about a lot of snow.
That's right, the higher terrain. We are preparing for that coming up tomorrow. Rain here in the valley. We won't be looking at snow here, but look with me right now. Here's the latest on our weather alerts. This upgraded just a few hours ago to a winter storm warning. That includes Flagstaff, Sedona, Prescott, everything in pink under that warning. That starts tomorrow morning as snow totals could be over 8 inches in some of those higher elevated areas. And along the rim, winter weather advisories. That includes Payson, Globe, down to the southeast in those higher elevated areas. So it is going to be a snowy one across the higher terrain. Here in the valley, it's going to be a rainy one. We'll get to that hour by hour forecast, but I want to show you just real quick some of these forecasted snow totals as the snow levels fall to around 3,000 feet by tomorrow evening. 1 to 2 inches in Sedona, Show Low 4 to 6, 8 to 12. More on this forecast coming up.
So with all the expected snow, 2 high country roadways are shut down right now. State routes 261 and 273 near Eager and Big Lake. ADOT says they're among several routes that shut down every year for winter. They'll be reopening in the spring.
This winter blast also becoming a travel nightmare at airports. A live look from Sky Harbor right now where the lines have been long all day. We stopped by tonight to find one man flying in from Germany. No issues for him unless you count being up almost 24 hours. We also found a woman so excited to see her family arrive from Washington. Smooth sailing for them as well. Just happy to get out of the cold.
Wasn't expecting to see my nephews or my family. I knew my mom was coming down, but no one else. And so for everyone else to come was just a really big surprise.
It was a pretty easy flight in, and got in here just waiting on my bags. I want to go home and go to bed.
Sky Harbor telling us it is 30% busier today, but will be 50% busier Monday and Tuesday. Some delays still happening, including 90-minute waits for flights to California.
And tonight, new video from passengers there waiting as well, all hit by the same storm system we're getting. At San Francisco on the left with at least 2-hour delays, while LAX on the right has seen nearly 200 flights canceled so far, with lines reaching epic lengths.
This line is hideous. It's got to be, I don't know what, 1,000 yards long. Nothing's moving. We've been in this spot 20 minutes. Good thing is our flight's delayed.
Well, it's not just the West Coast, but all across the country. More new video from Florida and Philadelphia, where stronger storms are about to make things even worse.